Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna quickly teach you the easiest magic trick you'll ever learn. And it's nice because you can always have it with you. Ow.
Here's what it looks like.
If you notice, it looks like I have a rubber band on my first two fingers, but actually it's an optical illusion because it's on the bottom two. Now I know what you're thinking. Jason, you lying bastard, you must be cheating! Allow me to prove this to you by locking it on my fingers like so, completely locked in place. There's no way this blue band could escape. Except by magic. Smash that like button if you thought it was cool. Now for the secret. You have the band on your fingers like this, and you simply tuck all your fingers in like that. So you want the band going right across where the nail connects with the skin. That's important. Then all you gotta do is open your fingers. Boom, and it hops right across. But if you only do this, it doesn't really look like magic. So here's a subtlety to make the get ready look more natural.
It's all about the presentation.
If you notice during my performance, what I do is I show both sides of the hand, and I move it around, and then I go up, down, up as I tuck the fingers in, just like this. And the hand continues upwards. Then you're ready to do the magic. So when you're gonna make the band jump, I like to wave my other hand in front. I think it looks more magical. Or you could simply have it jump in front of their eyes. And some people like to flick their fingers open and close, like that. Pick whichever style you like best. Now for the second band, how do you make this jump when it's locked in place? Actually, when you lock this in place, it doesn't do anything at all, because this rubber band is jumping around like this. To the spectators, it looks much more impossible, even though you're doing the same thing. So if you want, you can show someone the trick with one band, and if they're not impressed, pull out the second band, and that's sure to get them. So that's it. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think. It really helps motivate me to keep making these videos. Smash both the like and subscribe button, unless you're already subscribed, in which case just delicately tap the like button. That is all. Goodbye!